In this video we'll look how we can use the template that we have created, we have downloaded, and we will look how we can create a small Django project. So I'll just create one directory in which we will host that project. So I'm calling that digital n. Okay. So before creating a Django project, first you should create a Python virtual environment. Virtual environment is an environment where you can keep different versions of Python projects, right? Different version of Python libraries. So I will just create one. So for Python 3, you can do Python 3 minus m v nv and the name of the virtual environment. I will keep just similar to this. So this will create a virtual environment. Then in that environment we will download all the Python packages, like Django is a Python package. So I can see this digital n environment is created. I want to activate, I can do source digital n bin and activate. Now you see it comes here, means anything you do now you are in the virtual environment. So say I say pip install Django, so that Django will be installed in this virtual environment, because I have different projects in my computer. Some use Django 1.5, some use 1.8, some use 2. So there's a lot of mix and match. So always when you are working on any these projects, Django projects or Python projects, it's a good way or good practice to use virtual environments. Okay, now we got it. So let's see what is the first step listed on the Django website. So it says to create a project you can do Django admin and create. So I will do this and we will name the site digital n only. Okay, so now we have two folders. One folder is digital n env, which is the virtual environment. One is the project. So we will open it with Sublime. Let's see what Sublime gives. Desktop, and we will see. So this is what we have. One is the virtual environment, one is the this manage.py. This is what you get out of the shelf once you do start project command by Django. This command once you run, then you get this code out of the box. Okay, so now let's see what is written in the documentation. It says start the server, and you should see it. Okay, I'll start the server. I have to go into this directory and Python manage.py run server. Okay, you have unapplied migrations, but it says the server is running on 8. Okay, the installation worked successfully. Great. And I have to do this. Let's do this also. So this is for whenever you change the database, some change in the database, you have to do this migrate, right? Because you are creating few basic tables, so those are created by this migrate command. Whenever you change anything in the database, you can use this command. First you have to create migration, then anyway that we will discuss later, but now I think we are good to go. Sorry, we don't see this sort of warning that we saw earlier, and our sort of front page is done, right? So now in the next video we'll see how we can put that template we had downloaded. Okay.